This mid-1980s Commodore monitor is a terrific example of the era, albeit less well known than the iconic Commodore 1084 monitors. Often found paired with the Commodore 128 computer, the 1901 is a full-color 13-inch monitor made by the Thomson Company. It's often referred to as a dual monitor, as it can display an 80-column color image from a computer like the Commodore 128 or a 40-column color image, typically what you'd see on the Commodore 64. Now, this is due to the dual inputs on the back of the monitor. The monitor can show an 80-column output through the 9-pin RGB connection coming from like the 128, or the 40-column color image using the Luma and Chroma RCA connectors on the back of the monitor when running NC64 mode. The Commodore 128D was actually two computers in one, but more on that in a future video. The monitor also has an internal speaker and a single RCA connector for audio output. I picked up this 1901 monitor along with a Commodore 128D from a seller on eBay. It lasted almost 2 minutes before self-destructing. An internal review showed that CP01 had exploded. CP01 is referred to as a safety capacitor. I found a suitable replacement at the local electronics store and proceeded to remove the dead cap and replace it. So whilst inside, I did a scan around the rest of the components and nothing showed up as an area of concern, but it did reveal a previous repair. As you can see, there's a hole in the mainboard and a patch has been done to bypass the damage and the failed components. I cleaned up the internals, reassembled the monitor and hit the power button. No problems. I did some testing, ran the monitor for a couple of hours, no issues at all. I reconnected the 128D and as you can see, I have a pretty good picture, although it won't look as good to you because of the refresh rates of the camera. So there you have it, a brief review of the Commodore 1901 color monitor and repair of a common fault, CP01 in this case. It's worth noting that CRT monitors like this one carry thousands of volts. Even after being disconnected from mains power, I can hold that charge for a long time. Please take care if you're attempting your own repairs, and if you're unsure how to be safe, consult a professional. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me again next time.